From crystal clear 4K recording to cloud access, GPS tracking, and advanced night vision, dash cams not only capture accidents but also keep an eye on your car 24/7. Let's check out the best 4K dash cams of 2025 that will level up your driving game. First up, the Torvo 4K dash cam, a solid all-rounder for anyone looking for front and rear coverage without breaking the bank. It comes with a 64GB memory card, a 3.2-inch IPS screen, and loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage. The 5G Wi-Fi and GPS integration make it easy to track routes and download footage to your phone via the app. Users love the night vision and 24-hour parking mode, which gives peace of mind even when your car is parked. The setup is straightforward and the app control is responsive, making it perfect for casual drivers who want clear 4K footage and reliability. Next is the Thinkware U3000, which is a step up for tech-savvy drivers. It comes with an OBD cable for easy power connection, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and Starvis image sensors for crisp, low-light video. The dual camera setup ensures you don't miss anything behind or in front of your car, and the parking mode monitors your car while it's parked. Users really like the super clear night recording, even in poorly lit streets, and the robust app interface makes reviewing footage easy. If you want a professional dash cam that feels like a mini surveillance system, the Thinkware U3000 is a great choice. For those who want ultra-high quality video and a powerful dual camera setup, the Viofo A329S is hard to beat. It records 4K at 60 frames per second for the front and 2K at the rear, delivering smooth and sharp footage. It's equipped with dual Starvis 2 sensors, which means day or night, your recordings will be detailed. The dashcam also supports up to 4 terabytes SSD or 512 gigabytes micro SD, making it perfect for long trips without worrying about running out of space. Users love the power-saving parking mode, which keeps the camera monitoring your car without draining the battery. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 app control makes footage transfer super fast. If you want something that feels like premium surveillance on wheels, the BlackVue DR970X-2 CH+2 is the one. It records 4K UHD at the front and Full HD at the rear, with Starvis 2 sensors and HDR for ultra-clear video in any lighting. It's built for speed too, with fast boot times, USB-C connectivity, and cloud remote access so you can check your car even when you're away. Users rave about the smart parking mode, which can detect impacts or motion while your car is unattended. The video quality is unmatched, making it perfect for anyone who wants professional-grade protection and monitoring. Last but not least, the Nextbase 622GW is packed with features that make it feel like a dash cam from the future. It records full 4K/30 frames per second UHD video with a 140-degree wide-angle lens and includes Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and even Alexa built in for voice control. Other standout features include super slow motion recording at 120 frames per second, image stabilization, night vision, and What3 Words integration for precise location tracking. Users love how easy it is to set up, the smooth video quality, and the fun Alexa voice control features. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who want all-in-one smart features with crystal clear 4K video. So there you have it, the best 4K dash cams of 2025. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly reliability with Torvo, professional monitoring with Thinkware, ultra-sharp recording with Viofo, premium cloud-enabled protection with BlackVue, or feature-packed futuristic tech with Nextbase, there's a dash cam for every type of driver. These cameras not only protect your car and record accidents, but also give you peace of mind knowing your ride is always monitored.